Hi, I'm Eli Hardoff, and this is my wife, Wai. I'm the one that ordered the Swytch kit, and I'm the one that did the conversion to my wife's bicycle. I took it out, I surprised my wife. She didn't know what to expect from this. I got her on the bicycle, and I said, push that button and start pedaling. And she was very surprised when the bike started moving. It was worth the smile on her face. So we have been bicycling since we moved to Vegas 5 years ago from New York. We've been bicycling regularly. We have a little routine where we like to cycle to a cafe about 8 miles from here. She would get winded very quickly when we do some of those heavy inclines. Once I got the kit installed for her, it changed everything, because once she was able to dial in a boost whenever we hit the hill, we were now able to do the ride from beginning to end nonstop. It went from an hour and a quarter down to 30 minutes.
Now I can go anywhere with him.
We wanted to keep our original bikes. We did not want to go out and buy an e-bike, which are expensive, bulky, and heavy. And at the end of the day, you're no longer bicycling. Most people who are on an e-bike are just relying on the motorized part of that bike. The kit was, I would say, overwhelmingly easy to install. The directions were good. I would say that even somebody who is not a mechanically inclined will be able to do the kit. Pry your tire and tube off of your old wheel, put them onto the Swytch wheel. Once you start to pedal, the boost will kick in, and there it goes. It's a beautiful thing. Once you've made those connections, the Swytch kit is installed. Get on the bike and ride. So it's more than double the range of this, and then this would mount either, I guess you're talking under the crossbar here. It's only one cable. So I would have to say it would be nice to get rid of all this spaghetti. I want to see how stable that is. No, that's secure. That's not going anywhere. I approve.
It's really good and extra confidence. Now I know I can go places.